Need high-quality light leaks and smoke effects for free? I got you covered. Whether you're editing cinematic videos, music clips, or creative projects, these assets will take your visuals to the next level. Check this out. Beautiful light leaks to add a soft cinematic glow, dramatic light beams to create stunning depth, and smooth smoke overlays for that extra cinematic feel. These assets are available online, but finding and downloading them from different sources can be time-consuming. So I've made it easy for you. I've put them all in one file, ready for you to download instantly. They work in After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and almost any video editing software. Just drag, drop, and transform your footage instantly. Want to download them? The link is in the description. No sign-ups, no hassle, just a simple one-click download. And if you love free editing assets, make sure to subscribe because I'll be dropping more soon. Let me know in the comments what effects you need next. Cheers.